So what is a health coach and do you need one? In this video, we're going to talk about what is a health coach and if you need one, and the premise surrounding health coaching. What's going on? My name's Egan and I'm a certified health coach, and I specialize in helping stressed moms and dads with autoimmune, digestive issues, and weight management in a simple and sustainable way. If you want to learn more, consider subscribing. So health coaching is a rapidly evolving industry and it's out of necessity. And you may be asking yourself, why is that? So to look at why, we have to look at what the healthcare system is and the flaws that are in it. Here in the US, 2/3 of the population is overweight and 1/3 of that is actually obese. Also, we have over 1 million people die every year from preventable causes. The US also spends the most money out of any other civilized nation on healthcare, yet we're ranked 37th in the world for life expectancy. This has nothing to do with a lack of access to healthcare or a lack of doctors or a lack of medication. To say there's a lot of things wrong in the healthcare industry is an understatement. So despite all the medical advances that we've had, in my opinion, we're moving in the wrong direction when it comes to our health. And it's not because there's a lack of knowledge. If you have internet access, you can see tons of different things in regards to diets, exercise plans, and just overall ways to be healthy. But that's not the problem. Sometimes the problem is just too much knowledge that's coming in. Sometimes it can be just overwhelming the amount of information that we have access to. And sometimes we're pulled in so many different directions that all we do is not make a change because we're overwhelmed. So the biggest roadblock for most people is implementing health behavior changes. And this is where healthcare practitioners as well as doctors can be lacking. And it's not because of their lack of knowledge whatsoever. It's a lack of training, and it's just also a shortage of time in a specialty. Most medical doctors are not trained on behavior changes. They're simply trained on the knowledge of test results, prescribing medications, and then issuing a treatment plan. The average doctor visit lasts about 8 to 12 minutes. There's no way in that short period of time that you can instill lasting changes on somebody and have proper communication when it comes to true health changes. Doctors also have less than 25 hours of nutrition in their medical school. Also, a common theme among healthcare practitioners, including myself, I had to learn, is what's called the righting reflex. So the righting reflex is simply when you tell a patient something that they should be doing to benefit their health, you're expecting them to do that and listen to you. Sometimes it can hinder that patient-client relationship. So what kind of solution is out there? That's where the health coach comes in. So a health coach is a health behavior change specialist. Even Dr. Mark Hyman says that health coaches, when properly trained, are behavior change ninjas. Health coach helps put everything together to instill long and lasting health behavior changes. Health coaches are a dot connector. They help put all your health behavior changes into the social context of your individual life. They are key for accountability, goal setting. They can give you tools. Also, a properly trained health coach is trained in what's called motivational interviewing. So motivational interviewing is a client-focused type of interviewing that puts the client in control. It was first implemented to treat for alcohol abuse as well as tobacco cessation. Health coaching is ideal for chronic condition management, weight management, and just overall health. A health coach is a partner, a 50-50 partnership, and is your biggest advocate. A health coach is basically a passenger in your car. You're ultimately in the driver's seat, but that passenger is going to be able to help keep you in the lanes when you're going down the road. So how do you choose a health coach? So there's lots of options out there when it comes to health coaching and health coaches. Now, it's not mandatory to hire somebody that's an actual certified health coach, but there are advantages. Most certified health coaches have a certain amount of hours that they need to meet and a certain knowledge base that they need to have when it comes to general nutrition, as well as a specialty in motivational interviewing. I think the number one consideration when choosing a health coach is find one that speaks to you, one who reflects your own beliefs, one who has had experience in something that you're struggling with. When you have a health coach that's already kind of been through what you're going through, they have experience, they have the knowledge, and above all else, they have the empathy to understand what you're going through and the steps that you maybe need to go through as well to be able to achieve what it is you want to do. A good health coach helps you to develop goal setting as well as accountability. And most health coaches are going to be meeting with you on a regular basis, and not just for the 8 to 10 minutes like a doctor would do, but most health coaches are going to be meeting with you for at least an hour to an hour and a half or longer on a regular basis. This develops partnership and a team approach to achieving your health goals. So have you worked with a health coach? Are you considering working with a health coach? So I hope this video was helpful for you. If you want to learn more about what it is that I do when I health coach clients, feel free to message me or check out my website. I'll link it below. And I love to hear back from people. Drop me a comment of things that you're struggling with, and maybe a health coach is right for you. Bye.